As we proceed right now, eternal King of glory, ask how you bless in your word. This is the word you have given to me today. As we elaborate on your word, let there be signs and wonders. I thank you, Lord, for the way you used me the other time to speak about your word concerning the liberation of your people. Today, O Lord, use me more and more to your own glory and to the shame of the enemies of freedom in the name of our ancestors. Amen. Please, if you have not shared, make sure you share. And don't let your hand, for the people clicking love and like, God will bless you in the spirit. God will bless you. As I've earlier told you, time with that number, we are practically in this together. We are in this together. Like as I was saying, for those of us, I think it's biology. We talk about photosynthesis. Then when you hear that, when if you want your at the time your crops, they lack the reflection of the sun. That does it. There's not going to be a true production. It will not be photosynthesized, or it will lack chlorophyll. I think if I'm right, this is about something about 30 years ago. You know, it has stayed, but I can still remember vividly. That's what God can do. So Biafrans are sown to the continent of Africa. Africa is like this today because Biafra freedom have not been given to them. You may not believe. And that's just it. When God will have a covenant with Abraham, the same day have covenant with Biafra. And it's there. I know a lot of you always want to doubt. Let's go to the Psalm of David, the book of Psalm 113, verse 3. He said, from the rising of the sun to the place where it's set, the name of the Lord is to be praised. From the rising of the sun to the place where it's set, he said the name of the Lord must be praised. A lot of Igbo people today, they don't know who they are. That's why if you are an Igbo man, you are not supporting for you to have your Biafra, you are saying you sentiment. Now God will punish you. You are the one holding the people down. Not be even federal government of Nigeria. Because, you know, when God called Moses, he said, I heard the cry of my people. They start crying from the one. Now, if Moses spent 40 years in exile, before God called him, in the burning bush, 40 years. That to say they start crying from the even before Moses were born. The people that is agitating for Biafra is not enough. Not be even the federal government they hold on. Can you hold the sun? You can't hold the sun from shining. Nobody can do that too. Now let some media they can go push it. But according to Binoweto Vemos to Gwalidagbo, some must definitely look for space to shine. You can't hold it. So the continent of Africa lacks sun. That's why we are in this mess today. The very day Biafra is liberated, no Benin person will come to Europe again for prostitution. I bet you today. And they don't even know I'm fighting for them. Most of the things I'm revealing for the first time. The only way I feel my people, the good one inside, can have peace and no longer come for Europe for all this nonsense. It is when Biafra get their freedom. If my fathers and your father have not fought for apartheid in 1994, have not helped the South Africa government to fight for apartheid of South African citizens, our brother for the go there today, do you know how many of our brothers make it in South Africa? Because my father and your father, they joined in the advocating to end the apartheid in 1994 in South Africa. And that's the same mindset I have. People don't know. They felt, one idiot wrote a comment. He said, I'm selling my people to the Igbo. I'm trying to put a full stop to the menace that is happening in society. I'm the one helping my people. Because if Biafra land, if Biafra is given freedom, what you want to can't do? You can go in a way another 1 year you are made. So far, don't go and practice courtesan. Everybody, the people that were in captivity in Egypt, as many of them that follow Moses, they never suffered again. The one that could sustain the pains, the one that could sustain the process of time, they never suffer again in their life. So people don't know. I'm also fighting for my adult people. Because if you only measure, it is mega. And it has been ordained from heaven. Because nothing can stop the sun from shining. Psalm 113 verse 3, he said, from the rising of the sun to the place where it's set, the name of the Lord must be glorified. And I have scriptural verses today to present it to you. Let me read the heading for you. A lot of people, most people have not shared. You are going to hear what you have not heard before in your life. In your full life, which you never hear before, and you're here today. Let me read the topics to you. A friend of mine will always say, Kerike. Who not go, no. Brother is a rising sun. Nothing will prevent the sun to rise again, even the darkest night. Nothing will prevent the sun to rise again. Even the darkest night cannot prevent it. The freedom of the Biafran will bring political hygiene in the continent of Africa. And that's the true story. You know what's called hygiene now? Gogo hygiene, I will not be telling you the meaning of that. We will lack hygiene in the whole Africa. So the only land in the whole Africa that God sold unto people was Israel and Biafra land. I know say jealousy, no, they make people they accept. Bring it all from the Bible. If your own is in the Bible, now bring it now. To what you are called, bring it from the Bible the way I'm bringing the Biafras. Because my father, I learned it from my father. My father, he advocated for the apartheid in South Africa. So they got their freedom. So when it was even Buhari there that said whether 1983, that said Ghana must go or whatever. The cost that the Ghanaians lay on Nigeria, now they worry them up to today. Because they were very wicked. And most of your fathers too, all these Ifulefu, they joined to drive Ghana. Some of them were having Ghana as Ghana man as a tenant in their house. They drove them away. They lay curse on you people. Imagine Nigerian war, they just bring some person together and they form the Nigeria. The way they don't even have their historical background. Let one Nigerian come out. Then you are claiming you are Nigerian. You are daring the fake name. So I'm only, please, Edo people, some of you, I know you are mad. Stop jealousing me. It is in Manila we help people that is suffering to get their freedom. Because they say who says small became market, not doing anything bad. Who say now river, not doing anything bad. You go first, take bath, first drink, first come house. As I'm fighting for freedom, so you the feel say, they join Biafra. They give me money. I'm also fighting for children yet unborn. So that they will not be coming to this part of Europe to come and be facing racism. At least they'll quit here Kenny Kodo. More than Ola. Yes. If we were having a neighboring state or a neighboring country, that people like us, we could hang. We went to Niger. There was nothing there, my brother. If there was something Niger would have been able to do, they would have do it. Then we went to Algeria. It was Mafrid Miskila Bizev. When we arrived in Morocco, but nothing more than we keep on crossing until we get to this place. So if you just come on for Onitsha there, if you come on for being rich on Onitsha, you Biafra have their own country, then what are you looking for here? There will be job opportunity everywhere. People will no longer be dying here and there in the sea. So that is it. If you read the book of Psalm 8, verse 3, it says, I will call upon the Lord, who is worthy to be praised. So shall I save from what my enemy. He said, I will call upon the Lord. It didn't say we call upon Jesus Christ of UK. No, I will call upon the Lord. God Almighty that was not uttered. That's why these same people, they know that if they ask God, they are finished. Nobody can better describe God today. But my son, they deceive us. They use his own son, come at him in another form, take deceive us, and we ban from them. Wait till they church where they use all your lifetime they go. You got born again 20 years ago. You are still studying the Bible till today. How many years they take the reach science? How many years they take the reach biology? How many years they take to read the engineer? Then you graduated after 8 years or whatever, maybe now 8 years you spend. You become CEO of your own company. How many years did the Big Gate have Gate of Head that have Microsoft? How many years did he spend in school? But you are being in church. You come out there. What are you doing? What did the Bible what you read? Because you refuse to go forward. A lot of people today, it's going to be very difficult for them to digest this very message. Because they think archaically. They think from one very particular perspective. That is their problem. Then I'm going to be referring to you area where the east is mentioned in the Bible. If you read the book of Zechariah 8 verse 7, it says, thus saith the Lord of hosts, behold, I will. And anytime God mentions I will, and it will, nothing changes it. If God has promised you I will, have it at the back of your mind. If it does not come now, exercise patience. Habakkuk 2 verse 2, he said the vision. Write the vision and make it plain. Write the vision, make it plain. So that whoever that read it will run with it. He said, thus said the Lord I will, the Lord of hosts. Behold, I will save my people from the land of the east and from the west country. Not be east, be Igbo land. Not be east with the corner. If they kill them, I know say a lot of people right now, they will go and start saying East can be everywhere. Eastern Europe, see, they not lie. He's talking about Biafra land here. Now East. You don't claim East now. Do not claim East now. It's too late for you to claim it too. I know most of you too use his ground. You say Eastern Europe, see, they know. He's talking about particularly the Biafra land. Because it was a promised land. It was a promised land. The people that were going to Canaan, they arrived Canaan. While the people that were coming to Biafra land, the east, they also came. That's why that land is there. It was not created by anybody. So be that Biafra is a rising sun. You cannot stop the sun from shining. Nobody can stop the sun. Nobody. Nobody can stop the sun. He said, thus saith the Lord of hosts, behold, I will save my people from the land of the east and from the western country. The other West Africa country. Am I clear here? Other West Africa, you know, say we are in West Africa now. We, Nigeria and some other West Africa. See, all of them will come Biafra land, saying go save them. Are you guys clear? Gosh. Hi. Say the harvest are many, but the laborers are few. Senselessness is one of the major factors that is affecting us today from getting our freedom. Senselessness. It's there now. He said, thus said the Lord. This Zechariah is not even New Testament. Zechariah 8 verse 7, it says, thus said the Lord of hosts. Behold, I will save my people. Who is his people? You and I. My people from the land of the east. He's going to save the people in the land of the east. And from the west. The people have to come from West Africa. Come join Biafra. That's the ultimate now. So I further buttress it to you right now. That Africa is in bondage because Biafra freedom has not been given to them. And the freedom of Biafra is going to bring about the political hygiene we will not be waiting for in the whole continent of Africa. Even up to Kikuyu, up to Swaziland. Because they are the Chinese of Africa. Biafra land were not invaded. Just the same way the God saw Canaan land unto Abraham. And they came and they met strangers there. They met strangers. And they fought to make sure those strangers were eradicated. Freedom comes by struggle. Freedom don't just come. Freedom don't just come. Any freedom you put your hand and you get, know that it's not a real freedom. Not China-made freedom. The kind of freedom we want is the one of West Germany. The former West Germany. You know we mentioned those days. No, now become a Germany now. You know there are things that are original. Any freedom you get so easily, know that it's a fake freedom. Freedom in Magba. And if you are an Igbo man, you are the one keeping silent You are keeping silent, doing saboteur. The blood of the innocent people that is evil dying, even the fool and God will ask it from you because you refuse to do what is right at the right time. So God wants to save his people. Look at it, it's there now. Zechariah 8 verse 7. Thus saith the Lord of hosts, behold, I will save my people from the land of the east and from the west, West Africa. He said, go to save them. And the only land that can best, because we have tried all land, nothing have happened. We have tried Nigeria failed. We have tried Cotonou, nothing come out. We have tried Kenya, there didn't happen there. We have tried Algeria, they couldn't do what Brafa can do. So they belong to Brafa. There's no way you can argue this idiot. You can't argue it. They know they are the Chinese of Africa. That's why the Caliphate UK, they sat down. They sat down to make sure they never got their freedom. Because punishing Brafa, sitting down the freedom of the Brafa means that you never want Africa to be developed. Sitting down in the freedom of Brafa, that to say you want the whole Africa to keep on migrating. The only country, a newborn country that can put an end to this excessive migration in the whole Africa, continent of Africa, it is when Brafa got their land. Because why? They have here. It's going to be knowledge-based economy. People don't know what they do when I'm agitating. We're not the feeling for the give person money. That's just the problem we have here. If you read the book of Psalm 104 verse 19, he said he made the moon to mark the season. The sun know when to set. He said the sun, who are the sun, the Brafa? He's a rising sun. Is it not why Chiwete Akalo were arrested? Because of the sun in it. Because they are looking for a way to make sure they remove that sun from the flag of Brafa. And it's too late. It is too late right now to start amending things. Leave them and let them carry. They are the sun. They are the sun. They are not two ways about it. It does not mean that I'm talking about that the remaining of that tribe, they are irrelevant. After all, we have been talking about Israel. Let's talk about our own. Now, I was able to let us know during this very week in our teaching that God of Israel, Abraham, as Jacob doesn't even want you praying through in his name. And today there is conversion already. People are already ashamed of themselves, of taking self-decisions. So let's fight for something the same way Jacob, Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob also fight for it. Let's fight for something this very generation. So that make me and your eye reach out. I think to me to be more better. So that make me and your eye reach out how they get their freedom. Not those ones, they wrote everything. I know some of the things you are getting from the Bible is what is already in you already. Just for you to give a remediation to yourself that it won't happen like this. So that when such situation comes, you know the way to fix it. That does it. So attention, let's put our heads together. So that we can do something good. If you read the book of Psalm 19 verses, he said, its rising is from one end of heaven and is circuit to another end. And there is nothing hidden from his heat. He said the rising of the sun is from one part of heaven to the other end. And his own circuit, nothing is hidden from the heat. That is to say, at the time Brafa got their freedom, the heat will get to everywhere. The development will get to everywhere. Then we will be happy again. Then we will be great again. Then our life will be meaningful again. Then our rethinking will be put well again. We must be great again. Look at this there now. I prefer at time most of all, let only build that Bible. He said, its rising is from one end of heaven up, and its circuit to the other end. And there is nothing hidden from the heat. It must get to you. It must get, your crops must be photosynthesized. Anything you plant in that land, no criminal will rob you. There's not going to be police brutality. There's not going to be fake politicians. Because God knows how He's going to put everything right. Remember, we are not campaigning here. What we are doing right now is different between life and death. Either you preach for you to be saved now, for you to have salvation, or you perish then where you are right now. We are in Egypt, and we need to liberate ourselves. Never you always think because you have money, you are doing political correctness. Because yes, this person can best give me money. Like what's happening in Edo State today. The same party that put us in mess, that make you right now as a civil servant, you work for 1 month, you cannot even afford a bag of Gary, is what they are celebrating in Edo today. So you cannot expect me to join church in mess. Now, what you are celebrating, congratulations to you guys. That does not freak me. What changes is it going to bring to your society? Just to make one man keep on reigning. Just to make one man celebrate billions, while other children are dying mysteriously. That's why it is better you look for a European dog. Fight freedom with the European dog than to join some people to start fighting for freedom in Africa. Because they don't even know what they need. They don't know what they want, they don't know what they need. Anything can serve is what they believe in. The same system that putting us in this state of Gadaga is what people are still celebrating. They are back from church today. 20 years you have been praying. Common life you don't have. Your life is not good individualistically. You are as poor more than any other thing. Your life is meaningless. In head you doesn't have anything. Then you are disturbing God. When God created you, He gave you a brain. For you to metamorphose what you have is a problem. Agitate for these people to get their freedom. At least the freedom of Biafra is freedom for the whole dying Nigerians. The freedom of the Biafra is the freedom of the whole dying Nigerians. Then the government are, sponsoring you to start fighting them. The reason why they are sponsoring you is that they want you to die in poverty. They know that at the time Biafra got their freedom, your freedom is the next. You are going to be free along with the Biafrans. It is not all Israelites. Everybody that Egyptians were using were Israelites. But Israelites were majority. That was why the name were used. But a lot of them followed Moses. They followed the God of Moses. So we choose to follow this lane because we've already know about it. That there is nothing good that Nigeria can ever give to you. Rather than to use you for campaign and give you small money. Because their mission is in John 10:10. To kill you, to steal from you, and to destroy you. That's the reason why they came. The book of Isaiah 43 verse 5. He said, do not be afraid, for I am with you. I will bring your children from the east and gather them from the west. Are you seeing East reflecting? Am I the one that wrote it? I'm not the one now. But a lot of you right now will start saying Eastern Europe and Eastern America. But where they are killing, they say people from the east. All those animals, they want to talk now, they'll say, now people in the east, we know man, east in Biafra land. But this is east here. Yeah, that's to say, it's if we everywhere. And I don't even know, I imagine who are the people that bring up that flag? Some day inside. Some days inside that flag. I begin to wonder, how come? That's why Psalm 19 verses make it clear. It says, it's rising from one end of the heaven and it circuits to the other end. And there is nothing hidden from his heat. Nothing hidden. Every crops you plant around it must be photosynthesized. It must have chlorophyll. Nothing can stop it. Nothing, that's what God does. The sun God created, He make it to shine both on the same time on the good and on the bad and the ugly. That's who Biafra is. The light is going to shine everywhere. That is why today they are quenching it. And you are supporting them because you doesn't know yourself. You think your freedom, your riches is inside the church. Your riches is already in your mouth already. Proclaim it. And you shall have what you say. Join in the struggle, you will not join. This is how you will suffer, you will die. Why the freedom to the promised land? It would have come in the time of Jacob. Isaac tried it, and nothing happened. He gave birth to Jacob. Jacob, upon all he did, we are not after that today. Nothing happened. How not come it was Moses? Because they were never ready. They were so comfortable. All they know how to do is to mess around. The deceptive generation is doing today. Only the father couldn't do it. But there was a sense, he prayed for his son before he died. My son, this which you have started, Chukwu Okabiyama will make you to succeed. Then the father gave up the ghost. And here he is today, suffering for you. In the same way, Jesus, look at every savior that one first served in this world. Never forget about the Bible. Who was Martin Luther King? Who was Martin Luther King? Who was Nelson Mandela? How does he die? 27 years imprisonment. A fight for his people. I'm not even talking about Bible now. Check all freedom fighters how they die. They always die. Their life is always somehow. They are never comfortable. It is your struggle along with them that will always give them encouragement. Wherever Una the Kano is today, if he saw me in his dream, he will be happy. I'm not doing this one for psychophancy. You see one time, until God tell me to start to speak, I know they speak. A lot of people were not asking me anything. You not going to create topic about Brother. And I say, God have not given me go ahead. When God give me go ahead, I continue. I know you affect my page much. Because they don't want to even hear me talk about Brafa. Brafa and injection, they don't want to hear them. They don't want to hear them. If I dare try the page, they'll sit down put. We now talk about some other things. That one, I know my God is taking care of that. So that's it. If you read that book of Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10, he said, do not be afraid, for I am with you. Do not be discouraged, for I am your God. I will threaten you and help you. I will hold you up with my victorious right hand. It's a promise. Then why are you afraid today? Every Igbo man, you are not talking about Brafa. You are just, let me not to insult you. It's like someone that doesn't know what he's doing. That's just the way it is. You have a land. You have a land. It's already your own. Who are you living the fight for your children? Fight it now. You don't even need to shoot gun. Talk about it. They can arrest you. They will also leave you. Being too cowardlistic human being, it will not help you. And this thing you are doing is going to put your children out of bondage. Maybe you are an Ake man, you are boys. Will your children have so great to have boys? As you are fighting right now, you are fighting for a better society for your children. Any man that loves his children always fight for a better society. He's only a stupid man that will start building houses for their children everywhere. Without a better society, how will your children enjoy that very money? You have the grace to live long, maybe they vanish. You have a miller that you are calling upon. What about your children does not believe and that same idea? What are you going to do? Me, I prefer to fight for a better society than to become a billionaire. I want me to get rest of mind. I feel that my children right now, every children in the world, they are my children. If any children die, particularly when that child have not committed anything, it pains me. But for you animal, if you die, I have nothing to, thank God that one is gone. That is just the fact. It only pains me that the kind of life you live a society that is full of menace. But I love your children also. The hatred I have for you, I will not extend it to your children because they are just innocent. The bad person here is you that is not even fighting for a better society for your children. Instead of you bleaching your children, you that money to help ESN. That is the fact. The truth needs to be said. These are the problems we have. Hey, I'm a rich man. For example, now you are going home. You are going to East. On December time, they're going to let bad thing happen to you. Then, criminal can't go there because of the bad system. They were shooting and you were trying to hide. Then he meet your child and he died. Don't you see the untimely death we are seeing today in our society because of the bad society? It does not happen in Europe like that. Maybe once in a while something happens. But our own is a daily routine. It's a normal thing every day. Somebody must die mysteriously as a result of the incompetency of our government and what you have choose to make sure it happens to you. That is it. So every man that feel, if you feel you love your child, you are not fighting for freedom, that to say there's something wrong on your head. You have to go for medical attention. Because a man that loves their children must fight for a better society. That's what my father will always fight for. In the 80s stroke 90s, when my father were doing civil defense, the double barrel the street bought, they gave it to my father. They know that man is a responsible man. They were doing it themselves. They say, no, I think Bekarajo. Why am we wabano? Why una carry catch una meet una live? They were doing it on their own. So if we put Siemens aromatics now, put them somewhere. And they were only catching thieves. They were catching thieves. You can't escape it. Oh, they did it. They sanitized the area because he loved his children. But the people that doesn't love their children, they don't even come to a community meeting. All they feel does not concern them. Okay, we're going to be doing it for you. I'm here sitting right now sweating. Then you are there counting how much you have made. But you have children in society. Your wife is beautiful. What about you go to Nigeria tomorrow, we're in a week, they rape your wife because of the bad society? What are you going to say? The people dying today, do you know why they are dying? They are dying because society is bad, not that they want to die, or there is one thing they've done that want them to die. No. Not only fighting for freedom, preaching in the church. Even the gospel right now is supposed to preach, supposed to be a message of freedom. Tell them the predicament they are putting themselves in not talking about the freedom of the people. As you are talking about Brafan, you are also talking to free yourself from the bondage. This is the name we are going to use. If there's another name right now, we are going to be using. Apart from the blood of, don't you see now the blood of Jesus Christ is still there? We follow suit. Why? Because it has been avenging for people. That is why, but right now the blood is finished. The blood is finished, no longer working. Because God is no longer interested. Because the era we are right now, we are in autopilot. No more blood of Jesus Christ for you because now me exhaust them. I tell them, make them look. Let's bring what you have to get what you don't have. Use your mouth, not blood of Jesus. Because Christianity have made us to be lazy. I've made us not to have retentive memory to fight for our freedom. Now, if we must have to be great again, what must we do? If you look at the history of Jephthah, if you look at the book of Judges, chapter 11, verse 1, it said Jephthah was a Gileadite, was a mighty warrior. His father was a Gilead. His mother was a prostitute. A lot of you, I've told you a story about Jephthah some time ago. Jephthah was a son of a prostitute, a son of a harlot, an irrelevant human being. To them. But something happened. That's why a lot of people today will complain. Your back is on the ground because of your decision. It's not because of your family background. My father might have not been somebody that were raping people, killing people. After all, they will give a chieftaincy title. Till they oppress people. No. I will not allow the kind of life my father have lived. Maybe my father was not well known in the Oedo, then for that simple reason, let me keep quiet. Look at the story of Jephthah. He was a son of a harlot. And if you read verse 2, they drove him out of the house. They told him, you have no inheritance here. Go away. And he left. He went to the city of Tob. He formed a gang around himself. Jephthah was a warrior. He formed a gang around himself. They drove him out. But when calamity began to happen to the children of Israel, when the armor rose up against them, they end up looking for Jephthah. There are most of us today, they have talked you out. Most people today, they have said Brafan is nothing. But the potentiality of this very nation that will soon shine, because nothing can stop the sun. No matter how dark is the cloud, it must find a way to reflect out. That's who Brafan is. That's why everybody, they are afraid. Even the Europeans, they are afraid. They know that the time Brafan come, people like us, we are going there to go and build Brafan. Because we've gained something from here. We come and intensify our knowledge. Then we are going home to build that country. What you have, bring it. Yeah, we must go home. They are going to lack more power. Then UK is going to be looking for about 500,000 truck drivers. Not the one they are looking for 100. Not the one they are looking for 800 butchers. They are going to be looking for 800,000 butchers. Nobody's going to be doing the wash and the day not for them again. Nobody will do that. Every one of us, we have to go home and build a bravo. We don't dare to build it. As we are building, we will be eating. Then we now have a home to tell our children, this where we come from, this is our origin. Bini Onitsha, how many kilometers from my village? Is it far? Did I even need a visa? It's just for them to open border and I will drive in. That's it. Then why we become so jealous? Not even concerned about whether other people is great or not. France today, when you talk about the economy, they are better than Spain, but they are friends. Germany, they are better than Spain when it comes to GDP. They are greater than Spain when it comes to GDP. But there are a lot of things that Spanish people or Spain, they are so better than the Germany in some kind of areas. German people, they come here. Spain also go that side. So why not have, I don't know, somebody that is son, should he be fighting somebody that is fighting for his freedom? It looks so archaic. Look at it. If you read the book of Judges 11 verses, he said, and they said unto Jephthah, come. They were the person they drove out. The Gileadite. They drove out Jephthah. Please, go away. Your mama carry belle come. Our papa saw your mother in Ugbagwe. And your mother is a prostitute, you know it. And one thing I like about it, he said he was. And right now, story have changed. Because the woman prayed for he had prayed for his sins. Because even the prostitution he was doing, not be clear, he was looking for something to eat. He said she was a prostitute. I used to clear 100 by 100 naira. But today, I cannot even clear it. No, I don't even clear it. If I'm going to work right now, I'm going to work for SSI. Not to work for one idiot to pay me. And most of the job I even did, then, a lot of people there in abroad, they didn't even pay me money. They are owing me up to today. Have you seen such a thing before? Most of all the jobs, some of them did not even pay. They did not. They will come from abroad and still owe you money for the booking. But today, if I want to send anybody a message, maybe I'm sending you something of 5,000 naira. I'm giving you 10K. I will not do calculation. But I was surprised. Then they follow me the price grass. We'll go carry person from park. Then I look at life today. Why people be so wicked? But then I see a lot of these same people. Because even calling me to come and do job, at least I can have extra money to put in my pocket because I don't really like disturbing my parents. I don't go you baby to collect money. I want to have my own money to at least my personal money. I want to do with it, I do with it. Not the money you are going to give me. This one for textbook, this one for this one. And I want to buy everything and bring it home. Look at the money you give me for textbook. So that's it. Look at Jephthah. They never knew. And they said unto Jephthah, come and be our captain. Somebody they drove. This is how people are going to come and say, Brafa, come and build out a company here. Come and put a shoe company in Tanzania. They are going to call the Brafa. Zimbabwe we call, please, come and be supplying us square pass. How not they do it? Please come and open up a manufacturing company. Because these people, they are great. They are greater than the Great Britain. These people, they know. They know. That is why. Have you ever seen any minister from UK? Minister for defense or whatever? He talked about the killing in Biafra land or even the whole Nigeria. Nigerians, they are doing what they are doing because of the Biafra. They are not afraid of the Yoruba. The people, they know that when Biafra break up, get their freedom. Nigeria is free. What can Nigerians do? Go and look at custom officers that cannot even salute. Look at people they put in position. When we are talking about Biafra, we are talking about the good other Nigerians. It's not about the Igbo people. Don't get it twisted. It's not about even the Israel we are talking about today. Israel population is not up to about 10 million. It's about 9 million something. Israel. 9 million something, but they are great. How many are the Biafrans? How many are the Biafrans? I can't get it. But you still call on Israel. They are not much in population. But they have a military mind. They don't make themselves to become too lazy by saying blood of Jesus. They try to see what they can do at a particular time. Not extending it to tomorrow, God will do it. Let it do it now. That's why I'm agitating. If you can also agitate, share the video. God always give me message. God told me Newton, the freedom of Biafra will bring about hygiene in the continent of Africa. And it's true. It's true. There's no two ways about it. It's only a foolish man that will start arguing this. If you are arguing this kind of a thing, that to say you'll be mumu. There are things that we are good for. It doesn't mean that the rest of that tribe, they are irrelevant. But this is a country formed from the origin. God, they have covenant with God. Look at East is everywhere in the Bible. Look at what Zechariah 8 verse 7 says. It says, thus saith the Lord of hosts, behold, I will save my people from the land of the east and from the west country. He will first of all save the east, then the west will come. The other West Africa. They will come. And all this migration will stop. Have you ever wanted to think about it? How are we going to stop this mess? We are migrating. Right now, people are 70 years old in UK, 80 years. Then your children want to remain slaves because they give them stupid passports? How many are they? Check your population at home. Check what you can do and check what they can do. You've enslaved your children by not fighting for a better society. It shows that you are a bad father and you are a bad mother. Look at what Jesus Christ said in the book of John 15:15. He said, I now call you a friend. You are no longer my servant. I now call you a friend. Because someone know what you must do. If it's really your son, my son, this thing, I will keep on fighting for it. That's why it was supposed to be. So if we make ourselves available, there's a way God can always make us able. If you read that book of Judges, chapter 11, verse 9, it says, and Jephthah said unto the elders of the Gilead, if ye bring me home again to fight the children of Ammon, and the Lord delivered them before me. Look at it. He said, he can't ask them question. Shall I be your head? It was a question. A son of a harlot drove him away. All the Biafra you are seeing today, they are castigating. After all, they are just dot in a map. Who is Buhari to speak? Buhari that couldn't even take care of the insecurity in his own state, Katsina. Don't you see all of them are fake? Come on, the canon. Protected. If not because the federal government they unleash and some bad cities they are unleashing on ESA. Upon half they have unleashed. They have not been able to conquer ESA. Because God have covenant with these people. Israel today, 9 million, 10 million, now they be. It not past that range. No, not even America can conquer Israel. Because it was the covenant God have with them in the old. That's what he's speaking. Either you are going to send a troop, it may seem that you are winning. Automatically your troop will start fighting himself. Because God will not the command. Your troop will start fighting himself. Ask anybody. If you rise up against Israel, if God see and say you want to conquer them, make your word reverse, and make the real word of God, your troop will start fighting himself. Or something will happen. Either way will happen for your country. You have no option that to say you want to return your troop back to base. You will record them. They are just 10 million. Do you know the population of a Chinese army is almost about the whole population of Israel. But Chinese cannot say today they want to fight Israel. Israel will sing them. Because it's a covenant keeping God. He has given them the land. Wait till they come to use and do not concern God. So the Biafra land that be given to everybody, not even the Igbo now right now. It's for everybody. If it is good, let everybody take it together. Like this Europe right now, we've read it. This week here that wherever you soul of your fish are tread upon, you shall possess your possession. So anywhere you go, God will. But any person that wants to start resisting you, then there is a way Chineke or Kabiama will kill the person. So the same way we join, our father joined the South African government to end that party. The same way we are supposed to help the Biafra also to also get their freedom. That's how it look like. Then if you read that Judges chapter 11 verse 10, he said, and the elder of the Gilead said unto Jephthah, the Lord will be between us if we do not do according to thy word. He made the vow, a son of a harlot. Jephthah was driven out of the house because our own mother was a prostitute. Was driven out. But when the children of Ammon rose up against the Gileadite, which is the Israelite, what happened? There's somebody they drove because they know that there's something special about Jephthah. Anywhere they've chosen you out before, don't go and put yourself here and start thinking, hey, they drove me out. Continue to gather yourself. Look at that man that called me Kaba. He cannot even walk, follow me today. The man, that man in America, that called me a man of names. It does not have any content. He does not have, the truth need to be said. I'm not bragging here. He does not have any content. Why? Because I have to make reference to Jephthah. But Jephthah, in all, he went to the city of Tob and, you know, he gathered up himself what he know how to do best. He will do his training with the or Basu Wanewaji Jephthah. And really, he told them, can I be your captain? They agreed. With oath. They agree with oath. What about if they have even leaving him maybe now one cup or one land for say, now for even reaching hand. We on him for even say tomorrow. That's why what you don't want to do now, you will lose more later when you want to do it. There are things you're supposed to do now. Like Nigeria right now, they don't want to give Bafago. Nigeria will never be a country again. Go and mark it. If they allow the civil unrest that I'm seeing to happen, Nigeria will never make it again in their life. Because it's going to be, that land is going to wither. You better tell them now. Let them use shame to let these people go. Look at what happened. Look at now what happened to Jephthah. You went to a church today because your stupid pastor cannot interpret this because it does not have the Spirit of God. We know them right now because of them have become may I not mention that input. I found out say this guy, Danny Yayi. Anyway, I for mention this suggestion. If you want to premiere, he the doctor. Because the guy got to save his page, you know. He's a YouTube channel. These both they are very, very funny. You know. They drove him out. But at the end of the day, what happened? He now give them a condition. Right now, you want me to come and fight for you. But you drove me out, man. No longer a son of a prostitute again. When we be talking, we'll not talk again. But where was the rest of that people that their mother was not a prostitute? Where was the rest of that people? Where was all those APC members and PDP? It's a shame to the rest of them that the son of a halota will not be the one to mobilize to go and fight for you. It's a very big shame. That's why you see a lot of people right now, they are in abroad. Abroad is not in them. You are even in abroad, you cannot fight for freedom for people in Edo State. You cannot talk to your leader. You are doing psychophancy here and there. All they know how to do now, move you, can't do chairman for dance. Why do I have below? Stupid idiot. What are you doing? Even not because you overchange people. Who is supposed to be even respecting all these constituents? Is it by how many years you spend in life? Or how many parts you have made? Look at a society where we belong. So far you can go to Nigeria and use almost about million to carry security. Is there any security here abroad? Let's transfer the kind of environment we have here. And how we go to God, let's support Ododuwa freedom. As we are talking about Biafra freedom, we are talking about Ododuwa. Even the good Fulani, most of them will also be in Biafra land. The good Fulani will be in the Biafra land. Yes, they won't drive them because you are Fulani. Because it's going to be a land of everybody. Bring in what you have, but we know Green Bay Court is going to kill themselves there. Yahoo will not be there. No. Look at daughters. We have daughters in Edo State serving under the same people that kill your father. You go to school, dress yourself out, come and be serving somebody that kill your father. That one not a disgrace or shame. Then you doesn't feel anything bad about that. If these people have killed my own father, una for see what I use their heart to see. How will you be worshiping somebody, your oppressor? All now they are oppressing you because they increase your money. Did you have the same right? A country where you cannot discipline your child. A country now, if your pikin even like now go make another, a lot of una children don't tell una shut up. If you be sincere, your children if you talk to them, they don't say that like, you don't cause a person. When we were growing up, talk to your pa. Even if you even keep quiet, you don't reply. You can't keep quiet. They look me and say I be mumu. But your children have been doing it to you now. But you couldn't do it to your father. maybe your pastor, you may say the place too far, you dey grow, because say, come here. Bia. What did they do so? Okay, now. Okay, you call the talk, say, you boy tell me, say, who be that idiot where they send me message? Your pa go flog nonsense. But your children right now, they grumble and leave you all the time. Say, you do it. You the not can go to say, your own child, yeah, abroad. You are afraid already. A lot of people don't know. Because you can't, if you touch them, you kill yourself. Your passport will be revoked and the children will be collected. That one is not a land. He said, who God love it instead? You cannot discipline your children, you even godly discipline. Proverbs chapter 6. So Proverbs chapter 22 verse 6 does not exist here. Train up a child. You cannot train up a child here apart from pampering them. If you ask for Samsung, anything Samsung, you go buy latest for them. Because if you go buy A3 for them, you go say, Mom, I don't need this. You go try and meet you. Mom, am I a kid? Mom, look at what you buy for me. Tell them to say, Mommy, where's the year? And it will insult you and you go and buy new one. Proverbs chapter 22 verse 6 does not work here. Train up a child the way you grow. So all of you are just managing. Offend your child one day, and that day you know say yes. This land not be where they're supposed to raise speaking. Maybe today they cannot talk to their children. Their children just 20 something. But at 40, you have to work. Even when they day for village. Maybe the day they call you see that it's a panarwa, you know, no munya. Waka na agu wagwa. Everywhere Kokemona Sakame, the day go the you body. Make it the day for. Now go to your tourism. But most of you right now, you are getting it off from your children because it's not a land you can raise a child. Because this place has been polluted. They have a culture, their culture is useless. Oh, a bomb man, he and a Peking go the word, but Papa will tell him, say, shut up. Kayate, Papa, kayate. Tu habla mucho, hombre. Cojones. You go tell Papa, true life story, oh. A lot of you might have seen it. For those of you in abroad, they don't have respect. They insult their fathers. What about your child have such a this thing? But even when you still send money for now, when most of them don't enter abroad now, you can't be breadwinner for family. Now make your mark on the respect. How about you work baby? If you go out, you don't quick come back. They'll beat you. Come on for you. But beat your children here now. Try it. Discipline. Tell your child may go need that. Have you ever one day castigate your child one day? Say don't watch cartoon again. Tell your child at the time you discipline your child automatically. Maybe your balegbena don't send me that they monitor. They don't use their mistress for school or their teacher for school. So maybe already interview your son or your daughter. Maybe 5 years or 6 years or thereabout. Comment start to maman? To maman cuidate bien, non? Me go say a versus non. Que a passado hoy? Me ha castigado. Dice que esta semana yo no puedo ver tele o yo no puedo mirar tele. Semana pasado me ha dado golpe aquí. Maybe na mosquito batamo. You go report to teacher. Now made they collect children from there. So because it's a land that does not belong to you. It's a land that you be like witch where they pray for coven. That's what most of you are here. If you can be sincere, how many of you can discipline your child? Come and tell me. Not formal. You always give him have you ever wanted discipline? Proverbs 22 verses. Train up a child the way you should grow. How you training them? You pamper them now. Castigate your child. The people government are collecting children from. These people, they are good people. The government here want to collect those children because they have not committed any offense. I can stand to defend 99% of it. They have not committed any offense. God has shown to me the reason why. Because they want to say, wait till they give you, make you vomit them. That's why if you are the one taking care of your children, you, the papa and the mama, they know you are working. They are not giving you money. My dear, if your child will call, they only come out. But one, they don't pay you. They personally interrogate your children in school. They send their teachers. That's why. Nothing more. Because why? You are in a place. In life, if you are embarking on a journey, know who you are moving with. Know where you are to rest and you know where you are going. Most of us, we only know that we left home. These three prerequisites, we doesn't have it. And any person that doesn't have these three prerequisites, you cannot, there's no way you can arrive your journey. You are going to be zombie than one way. That's why you are seeing lapses today. So don't see that they collect a child from anybody. say now the woman fault. No. They purposely want to do it to the person. Why? Because what they have sowed into your life, the best way they can gain it back. If they help 100 Aki, 10 children, they must collect and put. Why are they collecting them? Won't a father discipline his own son again? Would a mother have the right to castigate his own child? Is it everything your child asks for, you'll be giving your child? Imagine that you bought phone for your child. Before you know, you see your child using your phone for his phone you bought for him. And you told him not to ever enter Facebook. He simply created an account. And he's even now watching porno. Won't you knock him on his head? At the time he carried that no, go school now. You are no man to explain it. You are no man to explain it. They can even teach your child. You cannot do this now. That's why there are a lot of things the church teach them in school. If you are not the type that follow up your children's assignment, they'll give some society and say you can be doing this. It's your right to be doing it. Now made their children spoil. I can't defend it. Their children spoil. They do whatever they asa loke de la Ghana. But Afrocentric and Eurocentric is not the same. But we need to join hands together to build one country in Africa. That from there, the development will spread everywhere. That's my own opinion. I don't know what you feel about. You are in Canada, you are in this. I see that. Go and look at Canada today. The restriction that is in Canada is not even in here. The restriction that is in Canada and Australia, it is not even in here. According to the Prime Minister, Scott Robinson or so, he said by November, if he doesn't have it, at least first, you know that thing will be like needle. They are going to sanction you $5,000. Is that where you are, where you dream that you are going to raise up your children? That's a mirage now. Most of us, we came here to come and hustle for money, not to settle here and begin to hold like old babu. Now I try time with the place, so like me, my time is expired. I have nothing doing here. For real, I have nothing doing. My time is expired. I guess, you know, if you are more than 15 years here, 20 years, it might be expired also. You can say you like it because you don't think. That time, if your party beat you, now your neighbor, who want call police for who? He don't go police in it. If a male child right now will go to beep his own sister when he the bath, his mama come meet and he slap her, or he baba piagbe, and it is a normal thing. In our country, it's a normal thing. It is not a maltreating. Our country, we don't want money go nyogo tioni, why baba piagbo, biagobo. It's a normal thing, but here, you go to 5 years imprisonment. They call it maltrato. The niño. You cannot talk to your children. You will be retreated. If your children beat you now, you go report. They are going to go to tell the child, why are you beating your mother? You not go even go the sign. But if you beat your children, you are reported, you will go to prison, they collect the child from you. That's what you call a country. They are brought up with it. It is their nature. It is how they want it to be. It is the part of and parcel of their tradition. So by tradition, we are different. Our own purpose of coming here was to get something, invest on ourselves back home. But thieves, Boko Haram, Fulani Haram, Yahoo Haram, Curtis Haram, Thief Haram, and everything. Before jealousy, you can't join them. So we are not getting it. Offend your child the way your mother used to offend you at home. He will never forgive you in his life. He go say, Atoma Pokulo, mama. Or Atoma Pokulo, papa. Do you think some of all the children, they are not working tomorrow in California? They will have the same sympathy. You will have it for your father and your mother. They will have it for you with this same environment. My dear, concentrate more on your children right now. What have your boy in home? Do lokun wati your tradition. So that let their head be changed to Afrocentric. Let them be intelligent too. But it should be changed to Afrocentric. If they carry the European hair, most of them, na casa they are well. Where do they keep old men and old women? Now I go and mark my word. Right to this day down. They are not going to carry your responsibility the way you carry your father's and your mother's responsibility. A lot of you by now, you will be having 4 children. The reason why you are pending your children still is because you want to settle family. Your children got no that fucking time for you. They will tell you here in Spanish, tiene mi vida. Mi vida es mío. To you es to you. Papá, si tú no tienes dinero, eso no es mi cosa. No me pregunta mamá dinero. Yo no tengo dinero para prestarte, papá. ¿Por qué tú no trabajas? ¿Por qué tú no has guardado dinero? ¿Por qué cada mes dame? Eso yo no quiero. Tiene mi vida. Papá, me escucha o no. No me llama más papá. No me llama más cojones. No me llama más papá. You go, don't call me again. You'll be surprised. Not be so I do to my part. Now the environment is not the fault of the children. Because it's what they taught them in school. It's what they are taught in school. You feel you made it. You have not started like the people in Nigeria is better than you. 20-something years abroad, their mother cannot talk to them. Particularly when you gave them the chance right from time. That's why I do tell my friends, if your picking one you beat you now, hold on for 3, may beat you on market day. May you foresee traders follow go. Not let them beat you on the can day. Begin the drag now before it's too late. All these preferences, now you go bleach your children. Anything they ask for, you must give it to them. If you ask for some certain things at time, learn how to say no. May you for know who that can be. The way you take past sheets follow your man. Do you think these children have time? The government today, particularly UK, aren't you surprised today? This deformity for UK, where they're not the finish for health care home with the UK. Workers for care home with the UK. If you compare the whole Europe together, it not reach the people with the UK. UK many pass. Why? The system. Where those people, where their children? Their children does not care. I tell you, don't they stay house? They'll say, the government know how to collect the money from your pension. They'll put you for one place there. Uno hijo. Hijo mío is in Estados Unidos. Uno is in Alemania. I have one child in Germany. The other one is working in NNPC in South Africa. None of them care about them. They will abandon them. So if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. I don't know why I'm telling us this. It's all about we fighting for a better society. If your society is better, your children can go home 3 months. Even go to farm. Say fly go see Eden. The hair, where they overpollute here, they'll still go take fresh hair. Where chemical not there. Don't you know this hair you are breathing here in Europe is polluted? By the pharmaceutical company. They know what I'm saying. Let them come and ask me. I will tell them. They blow it on hair because they want their drug to sell. The way you sick here abroad, if your brother sick like that, huh? Upon the good water and good thing. If they have the kind of environment we have here abroad, we have it at home, we would have been for the reach 300 years. But every hair you breathe in here, it is poisonous. The food is poisonous. A lot of you don't know because you don't do research about anything. Because you want to argue everything as if Oibona God. The hair is contaminated. They spray something into the hair. They spray something to weak your system. Okay, if you are heady, I'm heady. For example, now try doesn't maybe one paracetamol or 2. Everybody be like that. How would they get money? They must make sure that the sickness in your system is incentivized. They create the sickness and they also look for the solution. You got the sickness, you have to get the solution. Look how common this injection now. The other one where rain pass. Do you know how much $1 billion they have made? They have made a huge amount of money. All of them just they assume. Or I see when they are with me. Then we are falling Mungu for them. I don't you see they are selling. But why they not fabricate one of these medicine here where will he have the sickness? Ugle amioma or elephantiasis, kidney failure, homozygotes, homo sapient, homo idiot. We have a lot of animals here abroad. Why not treat these people, put something on their head? They won't. Because they want you to be mad so that they can be giving you mad medicine. Imagine they will open an asylum home for you to come and declare that you are mad. They forgive you paper. Mad people everywhere according to Nnamdi Kanu. They will declare that Johnson and Johnson. If you say Johnson want to get married to Johnson, they will give you paper. But if it's Adam and Eve, they won't give you. That's a system. Kai. Very, very dehydrating. So for you to know that Brafa will rise again, we'll soon be rounding up right now. If you look the book of Luke 24 verses, he said he's not here. That's what they told the people that came looking for Jesus. It is risen. Don't you see it again? It reflected in the book of Luke 24 verses. He said it is risen, a rising light. He's a son of God. If you are mentioning of God, you are talking about Brafa, son of God. Son in the earth. Your son. He said, remember how he told you why he was still with you in Galilee. He told them, he said, Son of Man will be killed. This building you are seeing will be destroyed. And the third day it will resurrect. And it came to pass. If you also read the later end of Job, Job will later great again. If you look at Jesus Christ, he was risen. I can further portray to you the book of Matthew 28 verse 2. He said there was a great earthquake because he was great again. Look at Job. We all know how Job suffered. To the extent his wife met Job and said, Job, why not curse God and die? His wife met Job. He said, why not curse God and die? But at the he said, and the Lord blessed the later days of Job more than his beginning. And he has 14 sheep, 14,000 sheep he was having. Omaka said, then he was not having 6,000 camel, 1,000 yoke of oxen, and 1,000 female donkeys. 1,000 female donkeys. Imagine all of them to give birth instantly. And the children of Job was not, the best among, his province then. God can restore us again. We can be great again. If we want to. Jephthah was great again. Look at Esther. If I perish, he was great again. Look at Jesus, he rise up again. Job rise up again. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They were inside the fire, but they came alive again. Look at Daniel that was thrown into the lion's den. He found liberation again. Even the people that threw it in, they later threw that one in and the lion ate them. The thing is that, what are you fighting for? And who are you trying to become? Remember, we are here for trade. And we have a place where we belong. It is when you are even buried at home, you can best key into your ancestors. Yes, it's not that, let's just remove Bible and remove maybe racism, not there. That difference is still there. If you not get strong eye here, you can still be humiliated. That's why we teach you some certain things on media, maybe for today they know you're right. And people fought for it. The right you are enjoying in Europe today, people fought for it. We need to also fight for the kind of society we want to live. The kind of society we want to live. No human being will be used for sacrifice. Whether it's from Kukuyu. I don't care who give birth, whether na Ogumagala or na mad person. That's the kind of society I want. I don't know the kind of one you want. Maybe they'll be killing somebody here so far they don't reach your house, can kill. That's what you want. The kind of society I want is that, so that your life will be good. As you are traveling to Nigeria, you go and come back in peace. I gain nothing if a first man kill you for road. I don't gain nothing. It does not benefit me anything. I gain nothing if you have been deported here, bro. That was why I protested in the city of Italy 2017 to kill a Balagro agreement with the state government signed for the Italian citizen to be deported. All was for the struggle of Brafas. So I started my fight long time ago. But some Bini Efulefus, they attacked us that time. It was a very big problem. For most of you today, the problem we have that we don't have retentive memory. There are people you are not supposed to be greeting. Because they never meant well for you. All these wayward people in Italy, Roma, Lazio, they fought with us. Because why? They want to deport their brothers home. Money will be given to them. And without no that deportation, the money will not get to them. This man in America with some other people, we fought for it. That was the day they attacked this man almost about 8 times. They attacked him, but the same people today is who is piling with. That make him an idiot. That's what make him, he's not going to be great again. Or he a man, because he does not even know himself. No matter how repented you may be, but what you have done before, I see they watch you. I know they lose God. That's why I look most Italian animals. We have a lot of animals in Italy because they couldn't stand to protect their people. You cannot be there fighting the Brafans. When there was a fight, you were supposed to fight for your brothers. For them not to be massively deported. They couldn't fight for them. It took this man in America to fly away from a different continent. I fly from a different country to come and save people in Italy. But we have a lot of animals there. But today, they go to dance and spray money. These are people you respect. Who is fighting for freedom for you? And somebody coming on media, they wear agbada, now maybe you hand this, now maybe you hand that. What about when the Wanohwa is your problem? If you go to prophecy now and they say your problem starts from a Wanohwa, then what are you supposed to do? And what is a Wanohwa putting in place to make sure your life is okay even abroad? Nothing. Nothing. What are they doing to make sure that our people stop going to Mali for hustling? We are everywhere. We are everywhere. We are everywhere. Go to Niger, we are there hustling. We suffer. Not up to $1. We are hustling, killing ourselves. All we know that doesn't really matter. Go to Tunisia, we are there. We are in everywhere. What is our leader doing to put a stop to all this? And how have they been managing our natural resources? Is the question I'll be asking you. But today you are celebrating the APC idiots. It showed that all of you does not need freedom. The reason why me and Nana fit play, that is that. You people keep on doing it, looking for what people are going to tell you when you know that our freedom is paramount. There's no more time again. In this society, you want your children to live. The person you are praising, maybe their children still know your children. If that now so the day they go. But there are people today who the society is not benefiting. Let it be beneficiary to everybody. Like Europe here, the way you'll be secure. You not get one special person where they send back, may go to check your house. If dog, they fight dog now. Animal, they fight animal. From animal kingdom. The same way they will call and they will come and separate you, both of you. There's no one special police sent to anywhere. Where I am right now, now this thing, now people get, now big men, they here. I call them big men because they could afford the house. Because a lot of people, you not fit to say you get money for jant. Maybe where we will day your wobble. Because it does not come constantly. If you tell me you are any money constantly, tell me the work you are doing. And let me investigate you. Maybe to do a chemo or do a chemo. But we live our life as a civil servant, a minimum wage. Their minimum wage here, they tell you, you don't feel rich past here in Jesus' name. It's what they tell you because your salary is your salary. You cannot do any other thing to it. That's your minimum wage here. They make it minimum for you. If it is now €100, maybe you started your life at the age of 18. Maybe in abroad here you did. You have to pay for 30 years. That's why at 40 something 50. Now most of the time they pay their house because they're not there, papa, they're not there, mama, they're not the same money go give friend. Now €100 pay €400 for house. If they pay 200 for motorway carry. Then the rest of that money, you go to save them because they don't eat or where. Now you they buy Versace. A Spanish man, a boss. Now Friday market cloth they wear. Maybe end of year party if you never go. Reach where you go wear. Said, you want to they look, you don't even wear. Now even cloth where they wear go what they don't send. Because they have hypotheca. They have bees, they are curing. But if you don't send money, go give your friend carry you go give me. Oh my God, Obama not happy, man. Now people where they Europe here, if they allow us to use the money for ourselves, now go even make us see Okumate go house. Be that they will not allow you because they're not fighting for a better society. They want the society to remain like this. Because they don't care about their life. Because you are there for them. And thank God now we have a sympathetic mind. Even though we know we will give to them. What makes some people, some pictures, some people to be beautiful? It is the weather. And the kind of photo you use in snappy picture. And right now, there are no more black people. All we see right now, everybody, they white. Organic. Everybody's bleaching. I don't know what did the imitate to Igbo for. Why are you bleaching? I can't get it. Don't you think all this is also going to give problem? If the way we concentrate on our face, if we concentrate on our heart like that, it will be more better. The best way we can concentrate, I think well, what's the brother going to give to me at the end of the day? For us to be great again, for us to be alive again, let's fight for a struggle. Freedom comes by struggle. We do say a luta continua. How we a luta continua? When what you are supposed to be doing, you are not doing it. How are we going to be friends? What you are supposed to be doing, you are not doing it. All you do is shenanigans. Now you join the people that create problems in social media. Now don't see start again. Jesus started up with prayer and ended up prayer. You started your year with SAG and you ended it with SAG. No one irrelevant thing you have done. Go and check out my video. I've been prophecy. I've been teaching. That's why I know any idiot from where I'm from. I'm not talking about everybody who do the kind of content I do. If you want to go for competition, just kindly call me. Let us go for the competition. I'm giving you 0 over 100. You cannot do the kind of content I do. You can't. You can't do the kind of... Not even your pastor can do it. Not even your pastor. Who have been teaching you Bible for the past 30 years, and the same thing they teach you. You know they graduate. You know they learn. You know they graduate. The same Jesus matter. The military that also lasted for 3 years. The ministry of Jesus Christ lasted for 3 years. You have been there for 20 years. The same word of Jesus. Why not metamorphose was in your head? The same way I did my own. You can't read. You don't see go church come since now. May God punish you there. You are going to church and you are not fighting for freedom. Now God will punish you. Because where the Spirit of God is, there's liberty. What liberty? Freedom. If the Spirit of God is in you, what motivates you today is God. Nothing else. Because anytime I read the Bible, I see the compassion. Look at Moses. He was having compassionate mind. Look at Jesus. Compassionate mind. Ephesians 5 verse 2. Ephesians 2 verse 5. He said, let this man be you that was also in Christ Jesus. Now, what man was in Christ Jesus? He was a compassionate father. If you read that book of John chapter 11, the death of Lazarus, he paid Jesus now. Person go die, can't chairman go die, not they pay them. Full and yes man go willing, not they pay any of now. But you still shout there in the church, and you are there, Momo. The ministry of Jesus Christ that lasted for only 3 years. Now you they thought this is 10 years. Nothing good they come out from inside. It's all miracle. Miracle. That was that message. Every of your enemy, and when you are problem to yourself. A lot of people you pray against yourself. Now, Brafa freedom is there, although why is there. Why not? Whether you be Yoruba or not, help them. Add your voice to it. Add your voice to it. The Britain you are waiting for, America you are waiting for, are there though. Britain is to come and tell you your people are dying in Libya. It's to come and tell your wayward leader, stop this migration. You are waiting for Britain to call you to come and tell you stop killing yourself. A very animalistic set of people. They are very animalistic in nature. White man is to tell you how to discipline your child rich. They are to talk to your leader. You are a slave. That is it, because you don't see how freedom. Where the freedom, they tell me. What's your charge outside? And go and what's your charge in Ring Road? Market women that are there, they'll join you beat down your child if you agree talk with him do. Hey, I'm on down. Why you know? But you will be handcuffed. Because you are in bondage. Where the freedom there? Who was so big? Who will be? If you were to be in Nigeria, the heat where your children they give you today. You for don't use blow. Woman, you go your blow for his eye. But you can't do it. You know what is restricting you. Not be saying not there your mind. Not be saying you stay to take care of children and soaps or take care of one. Something restricting you because you are in bondage. At least, if you don't want to even join Brafa, join the people of Abazonia. Agitate for them. Tell Pobian, say na God go punish him. The president of Cameroon. Tell Pobian, say na God go punish him. Or maybe you don't see like Cameroon. You never go at Yaoundé once. But you can also support Bobby Wine by telling Musavani or Lenon Wane. No, you don't want to do that. You can also support the people in Zimbabwe. Look at what happened in Zimbabwe. How Roberto Mugabe died. You can also, please, you the same God that taken away Roberto Mugabe, also come and help us kill Pobian. Because what he's doing for the Amazonian. We need freedom everywhere. So there are freedom deserved. Boku, Muchu, Obu. Choose anyone you can find. You cannot just be there as a constituent. You cannot just be there doing nothing. All you just do is to sag here and there. At the end of the day, you want your children to be great. When you are selfish, The place your children is going, people are dying there, fighting for freedom. Then your children will not go there and enjoy it. And where you are here, you have freedom. You can't share by you. You cannot even join the Queen's Mother to pray. All you don't know, you fold your hand. God can do it. All what you have people afford and what God cannot do does not exist. The land your father secure in the village, or the land where your papa build, and so it do one. Now if you get them, people have been going to church 20 years in Nigeria. Nothing have come out of it. A ministry of Jesus Christ that lasted just for only 3 years. He's taking black monkeys. 30 years inside the church, yet nothing is coming out of it. They will see a problem. There are children that are doing nonsense abroad. They don't even care what their children are doing for a living. That same your God couldn't even buy a car for you, but now your children go buy. Your God that you are serving cannot even recharge a mobile. That to say it's a fake God. The evidence of a true Christianity, if you are truly a Christian, is the life that you live. You cannot serve God. Now read God, you serve, go empty, I'm dead. People will be blessing you here and there. Do you know how many people are responsible for not the case? People are coming every day by day. For those animals that always say, Igbo people don't give me money. Give me money for what? Now God they send me. You can see now almost 2 times now consecutively. I talk about it. I study. I not just candidate come. I give you proof. I give you proof. Everything I give it to you. That's why I told you from the book of Zechariah. It's in the book of Zechariah chapter 8 verse 7. And Isaiah chapter 43 verse 5. Okay, to how you are fighting Biafra, bring it out from the Bible or from your ancestors. The reason why Biafra must know how to have their freedom. His Old Testament is there. That's what your ancestors told you. That's what my ancestors told me. It was even our ancestors that read the Bible. It was our ancestors that read the Bible. All this part of it and going. When Jacob so we are still verifying. We are still verifying. To the life Jacob lived. Instead of you to be using Jacob, you will see just now pray. I don't say the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. I say the God of our ancestors. Because our ancestors were holy. The only thing that can make you to be great again, the very day you start recognizing your ancestors. Now we bought ancestors, not Jacob. We bought ancestors. So where's your ancestors? Where is it located? Go and look for it. Proverbs 22 verse 28. Remove not the ancient landmark which your father have set up. What is the ancient landmark? Your ancestral background. If you have been praying in the name of your ancestors, the time you have spent with the Jesus Christ of UK, Robert Powell, if you are spending with your ancestors, your life will be better. That's why you pray or free. Nothing's working. Because you have not derived the real method on how to reach God. You think people feel it's all about to go to church. Somebody that does not go to church, his life is better than you that go there every Sunday with a bad man. Somebody that is not going to church is studying how it's going to help talk about the freedom of the Biafra. And you go to church and speak in tongues. You are serving demon, I'm the one serving God. Do you know why? I come here to come and give you information that will help you. That will make you, if you are praying, you know what you are praying about. A lot of people never know that East is in the Bible. A lot of people never know that Biafra is a rising sun. Even from the Bible. They never knew about it. They don't know. If you read that's Psalm 113 verse 3. He said, from the rising of the sun to the place where it is set. That they say for the rising of Biafra. Biafra, the sun is there in the flag. That's why the Nigerian right now, this man don't blow the shirt. Everybody right now, they show the sun. Maybe if I see you send, come for me and I'm free of charge. I'll see wear them. We all need the sun. Don't you see the European Union flag? Star. But we are the sun and we shine past. See it now. Compare it. The European Union. About 27 countries coming together. Biafra is still greater. Because we doesn't need fake rain there. Everything for need due season. Don't you see coal in some areas? Coal, excess coal. But our land is blessed. You don't even need irrigation. Because it's a blessed land. It is. Look at this star. We are the sun. The European God, they need us. They will come and we will enslave them too. But are you ready? God said, whatever thing I hear you say to my ears, such will I do. And what are you saying? Instead of you to be praying, you are playing. You are even praying, you are talking about nonsense. God, give me a car. You need freedom. When freedom comes, everything will be followed. And they say, seek ye first the kingdom of God and its righteousness. Every other thing will be followed. What is the kingdom? Where you can live well without fool and not can kill you on timely death. There is kingdom on earth. It does not mean kingdom. You are going there. Seek better environment first. And every other thing to follow. That is it. If your environment is good, money will come. If your environment is good, child will come. You will have good friends. But when the environment is polluted, everybody now bummer for your eye. Everybody say bummer. That's why seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness. Every other thing shall be added. How does the Lord pray as son? As it is in heaven, let it also be on earth. So we have to enjoy here before even. Why can you suffer? The life you live here will also determine the life you are going to live out there. That's why big men today right now, they'll say, I've enjoyed, I've made heaven. That's why their children are happy. But when your father die, oh, you know you quit my pa enjoy. Why you come to cry say no quit your pa enjoy? Because you know say now suffer, you want to go suffer there. But big men children, they will die. They are happy because they live a fulfilled life. But your father that died, because you were planning to go and give him a car, you know, give my pa drive my car. You know, give my pa carry my pikin. Because everything become too late. That's why. So let at least enjoy society here. Let not forbid freedom. God bless you and do have a nice day. Till I come across your way again. I remember your beloved brother, Comrade Newton Benugo, the Bishop of Activism, the hero for democracy and ambassador for good governance. The mass, the patriot. We stand to defend the Constitution, wherever it may be. God bless you. Today is Sunday, 17th, 2021. God bless you. And for most of you that always want to call us most of the time, you can reach us through the number +34 631 056 284 +34 631 056 284. God bless you and have a nice day. Happy Sunday. Ciao.